Good. Do this thing.
Yeah.
How are you?
Yeah, good. Thanks for having me here.
No worries.
Like I said, you've seen the mess that exists. What I'm chasing is, I put about $5.5 grand in my budget. It's sitting there, the money's in the bank. I want to fill my toolkit up with all new tools. I want to throw the stuff I got half missing away, which is really only a socket tray set, and fill my 56-inch up to the brim, right? Now, I don't want to sort of go and choose individual tool bits, but do you have like tool piece, like a 50-piece kit, a 100-piece kit? What do you have?
Yeah, we've got a bunch of different kits actually. So you start off with the introductory, then you go to the intermediate, then the advanced, and these are just add-ons. So add on an extra 265, an extra 300 pieces. Right. You're getting a new and bigger and better set of tools, a more advanced set of tools. So you go from like the apprentice level to the intermediate to the advanced to the expert, and then finally to the master level. The master level. That's boss level, mate. You know,
sounds like me.
You're the boss.
No, my wife's the boss. I'm not the boss. Let's be honest.
It's a boss level toolkit for sure.
And what does it have in it? Give me some idea.
Really, this type of toolbox attracts a few different people. One is a professional at the pinnacle of his career. Two is an apprentice wanting to only spend their money once. Right, which is a really good thing to do. Or three, like yourself, mate, you just want to have everything at the...
I just know how much easier it makes it.
The biggest problem though, mate, is as good as your toolbox is, you'd need two of them to be able to fit the boss level toolkit in.
So, okay.
So what are you going to do?
I've only got $5.5 grand to spend, right? So I guess we'll see how far that goes. So what do you got to show me, Stu? You promised me the world.
What do you reckon, mate?
Come
and check this out. Come and check it out, man. Absolutely unbelievable.
I will be divorced.
Beast. This,
but maybe divorced for a good reason.
the DOZER.